Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on feedback on email notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click on notifications, and there you will find email notifications. Click on it. Here, as you see, you will find feedback. Just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on feedback on email notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.